Why you dig off the pussy? What?
Everyone was requesting about the itching prank. I'm going to do the itching prank. Let's see what happens. So the school wants to know your experience when I was a baby. So can you tell me your experience when I was a baby?
You was a very nice, quiet baby. I never have any problem with you. You were the most quietest baby I have.
Nice. I'm so happy.
She was the very quietest one.
Yeah, I understand.
That's my experience with Chanel. Chanel? What the bomb clock wrong with you? You say you want me to do video for school and you stand up here and scratch up your kitty.
It's just normal.
What do you mean by normal? You not wash the kitty?
I am.
So why you scratch it up so? The school I go see where you do, you cannot put that video to school. Because them I go see say you scratch up the kitty head. And when the kitty do make you scratch it up so, you not wash it.
Because of you. You're the reason why.
How? Am I a beard you?
No.
You have knit. You must have knit to bumbleclot make you scratch up yourself so. You stand up and dig up yourself. You must learn for beard man. Beard properly.
I do. It's because of you.
Don't tell me say because of me how you go get it. How me must give you knit. And me make you a beard? You scratch up the kitty head. You dig off the head of the puss. Eh? Why you dig off the puss head? What the puss do you? This thing needs for head. This is rubbish. This is bullshit. Why you stand up and scratch your kitty like the kitty head full of lice and it? Chanel, me not do this with you. Because you now wash your kitty, me can't do this with you. You have to go maybe do it with Kenny. This is nonsense.
Guys, follow my Facebook for more content and also giveaways.